Hi, first grade friends. Okay, so we are going to start with the sounds today. So I'm going to say the number and then I'm going to say the sound. I'm going to repeat the sound and then I will leave some time for you to type it in. After that, I'm going to play the next sound for you. Okay, so get ready. It might be helpful if you write these down first and then you can type them after you've heard all of the sounds. Are you ready? Here we go. Number 1, the sound is Z, Z. So that's sound number 1, Z. Sound number 2, A, A. Sound number 2 is A. Sound number 3, sound number 3 is K. Sound number 4, J, J. Sound number 4 is J. Sound number 5, Ah, Ah. Sound number 5 is Ah. Okay, I'm going to go through each one real quickly so you can hear them again. Sound 1, Z. Sound 2, A. Sound 3, K. Sound 4, J. And sound 5, Ah.